In this video, I'm going to show how to take custom pictures within the Property tool. You get professional photos to all tours, which can be used for advertising, but you can take additional photos by yourself in the tour. To make this feature available, sign in. In the menu, click on the Pictures icon. After opening the function, it feels like you are watching the properties through a camera lens. Choose the perspective and click on the screen capture icon. Now the photo is taken and you can even download it. Now take a new photo to see what other options you have. On the right hand side, you can choose the aspect ratio. It can be full screen, 1:1, 3:2, 4:3 or 16:9. You can choose the perspective on the left. In architect view, the walls become straight, while in normal view, we see them slantways. You can also choose the fisheye perspective, which can be suitable for catching the visitor's eye in an advertisement. Under the perspectives, you can find the small lock icon. If you click on it, you can unlock those restrictions which prevents you from taking extreme or distorted pictures. So, if you unlock this, you can take any kind of pictures you want. For example, you can take pictures which show the property from a greater distance. Click on the capture icon below, and now the picture is taken. Before downloading, you can set some other things. You can choose the picture size. Now let's make it 800 pixels wide. The picture adapts to the given values. If you uploaded a logo to the datasheet, you can change its settings too. You can set the size in which you want it to appear and the point where it will show up. If you make the program remember your settings, all pictures will be taken this way. Let's close the Pictures menu right now and open it again to see the Gallery button next to the Close button. By clicking on this, the same gallery link opens, which you got an email. From this gallery, you can download the pre-taken photos. If you click on Download Full Gallery, you can download all photos at once in one archive file. After extracting the archive, you can use them for advertisements. Although you can take photos in the tool yourself, there are special photos which you can download from the gallery only. These are panoramic photos, wide photos, and floor plans with QR codes. QR codes help us to use the tools on smartphones. If you want to download the pictures one by one, you can see the full tour link below each of them. If you click on the link, the tour will open with the perspective, which you can see on the given picture as well. This is mainly important in case you want to insert the tour into your web page by uploading the picture, then copying the link below it. You can upload any number of pictures. The link below them will always open the tour at the point which can be seen on the picture.